Hello everyone, welcome back. You're watching Math with Anila. Today, let's discuss about banking and how to calculate maturity value of a recurring deposit. Let a sum of rupees P be deposited every month in a bank for n months. If you are depositing rupees P in a bank for n months and if the rate of interest is R percentage, the rate of interest is R percentage, then we can calculate the interest by using the formula I is equal to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. This is the formula to find the interest what we are getting for the amount, that is the amount P we are depositing in a bank for n months with the rate of interest R. Then the interest can be find out by using this formula, that is I is equal to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. The maturity value can be calculated as the total sum deposited plus the interest. See the total sum, how much we are depositing for n months with the installment as rupees P, and what is the interest we are receiving for that particular sum deposited. So when you are adding these two, the total sum deposited plus the interest, you will get the maturity value. How to calculate the total sum deposited? The total sum deposited is equal to total sum deposited is equal to n into P. N is the number of months and P is the monthly installment. So you will get the total amount deposited in the bank. Now the maturity value formula can be written as MV is equal to, maturity value is equal to total sum deposited, that is N into P plus I. This is the formula to find the maturity value for a fixed amount, that is for the rupees P deposited in a bank for n months with the rate of interest as R percentage. Consider a question. A person is depositing rupees 200 per month in a bank for 3 years with a rate of interest as 11 percentage in RD. So what you need to find is, you need to find the maturity value. What is the total amount that person receives at the end of the 3 years? This is what we have to find. Here the P, that is a monthly installment, is given as rupees 200 and the time is 3 years and R is 11 percentage. The rate is 11 percentage and here the time is given in years. So we have to find out N in terms of months. 3 years is 36 months. Now let's substitute the values in the equation. First let's find out what is the interest and then we will find out the total sum deposited, and if we are adding these two we will get the maturity value. Let's find the interest first. So I is equal to P into, what is P? P is 200. P into N is 36. 36 into 36 plus 1 by 2 into 12 into the rate of interest is 11. 11 by 100. Let's simplify this. This you'll get 12 3s are 36 and here this one we can cancel. You will be getting this as 100 and this 100 and this 100 cancels. So that is equal to 3 into 37 into 11. When you multiply this, you will get this as 33 into 37 and that is equal to 1221. Here 3 into 11 I have multiplied and you are getting this as 33. 33 into 37 and that is equal to 1221. Rupees 1221. This is the interest he or she is receiving after 36 months, that is after 3 years. Now let's find the amount deposited, total amount deposited. And that is equal to N into P, number of months, that is 36 into what is P? It is 200 and that is equal to 7,200. So we got the total sum deposit as 7,200. Now let's find the maturity value. Maturity value is equal to n into p. What is n into p? That is 7,200 plus the interest we are getting 1,221. 1,221, and that is equal to 8,421 rupees. This is the maturity value that person receives after 3 years. Consider one more example. Here the monthly installment is given as rupees 200 and the time is 4 years. Here the maturity value is given, that is 11,364 rupees is the maturity value, and we need to find the rate of interest. In the previous case we had all the monthly installment, time as well as the rate of interest. We were able to find the maturity value. Now here the maturity value is given, you need to find the rate of interest. For that, first we have to use the formula of maturity value, and before that we need to make the time in terms of month. 4 years is 48 months. Okay, now write the formula of maturity value. What is the maturity value? Maturity value is equal to n into p, n into p plus I is p into n into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. Just substitute the values in this equation. Maturity value is 11,364 is equal to n is 48 into p is 200. P is 200 plus 200 into 48 into 49, because it's n into n plus 1, divided by 2 into 12 into the rate of interest r we need to find. We keep r as it is, divided by 100. Now let's simplify this. This will be 11,364 is equal to 48 into 2 is 9,600. Plus here we have to have the simplification. We can simplify this zeros with 100, and here 2 and 2 gets cancels, and this one will be 4. So 4 into 49 r, and we need to bring this 9,600 to the other side. You will get this as 11,364 minus 9,600 is equal to 49 into 4, that is 196 r. Now 11,364 minus 9,600 is 1,764 is equal to 196 r, and now we can cancel 1,764 with 196. You will get this as 1,764 divided by 196 is equal to r, and that implies r is equal to 9, and therefore the rate of interest is 9%. This is how we can find the rate of interest by using this maturity value formula. Now this question is for you. It is given that the monthly installment is rupees 600 and n number of months is 20 months and the rate of interest is 10%. Calculate the maturity value for the given question. You can use the formula and find out the maturity value. That is all for today. Let's meet in the next class with more sums on banking that is related to the RD. Thank you.